Yes. In a list, do we have lots of things sometimes? Yeah. And how do I separate different things in a list? What could I use to help me separate different things that are in a list? Gavin? So Gavin said I could write like one and then write it off, write something. Write a two, write something else. Write a three, write something else. What's another way I could make a list? Max? So like bullet points? So bullet points. And you don't need to write this, I'm just writing this for you. Bullet points are where you put like a circle or a square or a triangle. Numbers like 1, 2, 3. But I'm not doing those today. My list is even different. My list is going to go all together. It's not going to be in a row. It's a different kind of list. I'm going to list things that I put to make hot chocolate. Bryn? Okay, so what could I use to separate those ideas or those thoughts? Colson, do you know? I could use some spaces. Spacing's always nice. Paige? Mm-hmm. You're right. I am going to write it in a sentence. Are you ready? I'm going to show you what it looks like. Do you know what that is? You may have seen it before. Do you know what that is, Benson? Anybody want to help him out? Georgia? Anybody? Kira? It's a comma. Comma. They're on the ground, okay? They're not up in the air. If it's in the air and it looks like that, it's called an apostrophe. But if it's on the ground, it's a comma. And commas help separate things in a list or when I have lots of names or items or different things that I'm talking about. So watch me first to show how I can use a comma. Are you ready? Okay. For hot chocolate, I need. Now I'm going to make a list. Are you ready? I'm not going to do 1, this, 2, this. Oh, no, no, no. I need marshmallows. And because I'm going to write more than 2 things, I need to put a comma after each one. Are you ready? So I'm going to put a comma. Marshmallows, comma. Carver, what else do I need? Milk. I do need milk. Okay. Now, I have a question for you. How many other things do I need? How many more things do I need for hot chocolate? Just to make regular, plain hot chocolate. Josie? Ooh, like whipped cream. Yum.
I know what you should do.
That would be yummy on top with my marshmallows. Okay, comma. Ooh, what other things do I need, Lainey? I might need some sugar.
Yes.
And you know what? I think there's only one more thing I need, so watch this. When I'm done making my list, if I have one thing left on my list, here's what I do. Watch me. I'm going to put a comma, and I'm going to write the word and. Because that tells me I'm almost done with my list. This is the last thing I need. I need one more thing to make it hot cocoa. One more thing. Hint, hint. Zoe? Okay, hang on. Kaylin? I need some hot cocoa or hot chocolate mix, right? I might just write cocoa mix just because I don't have a lot of room left. So I want to make sure that it fits. Mix. Oh man, what do I need at the end of my sentence? Benjamin? A period, you are correct. All right, so check mine out. How many things did I list on my paper to make hot chocolate? How many things are in my list?
Five.
Count it carefully. Show me on your fingers how many things did I need to make hot chocolate? Okay. Let's see. Marshmallows, milk, whipped cream, sugar, and cocoa mix. That was 5 things. But how many commas did I use? Look for these commas. They look like they have little tails. Oh, show me on your hands. How many commas did I use in my sentence? If you said 4, you are correct. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I use the word and before my last thing. All right. Thumbs up if that looks pretty cool. That's a different way to make a list. What do you think?
No.
Not so bad? I didn't have to use bullet points. I didn't have to use numbers. I could use a comma to split up all those things. But what's the most important thing when using a comma? So if I'm getting to the last thing on my list, what do I have to do with that comma to help me? So I know it's the last thing. Jude, you have to add the word and. So if I'm making a list of 3 or more things, I have to use commas between each thing. Okay. Here's your challenge today. Now, do you think it would be fair if I had you write about hot chocolate when I just wrote about it?
No.
Do you think you might copy me by accident? Yeah, I think so. But I have a really easy one for you to do. Okay, get ready. I know you're really excited.
Cookie. What is it? What's it? What is it?
We are really good at exercising in here, and oh man, even better, look at those pictures at the top. Okay, let's talk about it. I see stretch, run, jumping jacks, sit-ups. Do I do those in PE class?
Yeah.
Could I maybe make a list talking about things that we do in PE?
Yes.
Huh. And the fact that you have PE today makes it even better, right? Here's your challenge. Can you write me one sentence? Oh, just wait. One sentence. I'll write it down right here. One sentence. Just like I did. You need to make a list using commas.
What do you need?
So you need commas. And the best part, guys, can you use all 4 of these words? in a sentence using commas?
I thought you just meant one sentence.
Yeah, that's what I said. One sentence.
Oh, so one line.
Can you use all 4 words in one sentence for me using commas between them? They're even spelled correctly for you. And I want to see a capital at the beginning. And I need punctuation at the end.
And we need spaces.
And you know what Griffin reminded me? We do need spaces. Okay, those are what you need. Who can help me to think of an idea on how I could do this? What's a sentence that I could do using stretch, run, jumping jacks, sit-ups, all in the same sentence? Listen closely if you're not sure. Listen closely. Page. Okay, but are you using the 4 words? You could say every morning I stretch, comma, run, comma, do jumping jacks, comma, and sit-ups, period. Okay, what's another one, Max? Okay, but are you using all 4 of those words? You know what? I could even say in PE class, we stretch, comma, run, put a comma, do jumping jacks, put a comma, and sit-ups, period at the end. Could you do that? Did you think that would be a pretty easy sentence? Yeah. All right, so now, oh man, how many sentences do I need? What do I need to do to separate the words stretch, run, jumping jacks, and sit-ups? I need commas. What do I need at the beginning of a sentence? What do I need at the end?
Period.
And what do I need between my words?
Spaces.
Good spaces. All right, ready, set, right.